Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you ML550, the headlight to LED. At this moment I have a original OEM bulb. This is how it looks. These are the LED lights. One I'm going to use for my fog light and the other one I'm going to use for the headlight. I'll be posting a separate video for the fog light and headlight. So please check it out. So let's get started. I'm going to change my headlights to LED light. This is how the headlight looks. Very yellowish color. Once we're going to replace with LED, it's going to look really nice. First we're going to pop open the hood. So it's a very important safety tip. Make sure it's not turned on, then you're going to replace the bulb with the LED. Because when you're going to replace the bulb, there are chances you can burn yourself. So make sure it's nice and cold. And this is the cover right here. You turn it anti-clockwise and you open it. That is the bulb right there. We're going to open it. You press it and turn it anti-clockwise. This is the bulb. You take it out. So these are the clips on the side. When you press it, then it will open up. As for the bulb, wiggle around and take it out. That's it. So this is the LED. One tip I want to share with you that when you're going to put this LED, there is a small clip right here. When you're going to put it in, make sure that it goes inside like this. Then it's seated perfectly. Once it's seated, this is how the LED going to look. Prior to putting in, we're going to test it. Super bright, it's working. I'm going to put it back into the cavity. As for the orientation, it has to stay straight. So we're going to put it like this, then we're going to turn it. This is the headlight assembly. These are two cutouts right there. We need to put the clip inside and press it, and then we have to rotate it. That's a little harder, but you can do it. So that's the close-up. I wish I can show it to you as I'm doing it. There is not enough room. You can see it. So these are the two clips. We're going to put it in just like this. You see it's seated. Now we need to press it. Then we have to rotate it. So once I'm done, then I'll show it to you. So this is how it looks now. So as I mentioned, that this is a little harder. You just align it into the socket, you press it in. Once you press it in, then you turn it. So now it locks in. We are all done. So after replacing with the LED, now we're going to put the cover back. Just put it in, just like this, and then rotate it. Locks in. That's how you change your headlight to LED. And I'm going to replace LED on passenger side the same way. So then I'll show you the results, how they look. So this is the original bulb and that's the LED. So I'm going to replace it on the passenger side. After replacing the headlight to LED, it's super bright. If you found this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.